Before operation, wear a wrist strap in advance to disperse the static electricity within human body. Here is a Torx screwdriver. Unbolt the screws at the iPhone bottom. A hairdryer is in service. Use it to heat up the screen all around. There is waterproof glue on the screen surrounding. The screen is easier to dismantle by heating up. This is a LCD opening pliers. Firm it at left bottom of the screen. Make a gap with it. Insert the pry bar. Disconnect the screen. Note that the screen keeps 90 Bu from snapping flex cable. This is a triangle screwdriver. The screws are positioned like this. Use it to dismantle the metal bracket for screen. Then dismantle the one for battery. Disconnect flex cable on battery. To avoid motherboard being short-circuit, disconnect flex cable on screen. And the metal bracket on ear speaker. Disconnect flex cable on ear speaker. Disconnect the display assembly. Use a cross screwdriver. Unbolt the screws on Taptic engine. Take off the metal bracket. Remove flex cable. Remove Taptic engine. Needle tweezers. Make loose the adhesive tape on battery. Attach the tweezers to the tape firmly, then push out of it. It needs strength. A man can handle it easily, while a fairy may need her boyfriend's help. Even for a person with OCD, after watching the whole operation, must feel comfortable. When the battery adhesive tape is done, the battery can be dismounted now. Prepare for the new battery accessories. First is the adhesive tape. Tear up the tape. Paste the tape on the back of the battery. First, install the battery flex cable. Then install the battery. Please notice the following. To avoid battery being short-circuit, the battery flex cable should be dismounted first. Then install the Taptic engine. And the flex cable. Fix the metal bracket. Bolt the screws. The battery has been installed. Next is screen. The screws on ear speaker positioned like this. Remove the screws on ear speaker. And the flex cable on ear speaker. Dismount ear speaker. This is ear speaker. And the new screen. Install the ear speaker on screen. Then the flex cable. Fix the ear speaker. Install ear speaker flex cable. Install screen flex cable. Install ear speaker flex cable. Install battery flex cable. Power on to pre-check before fully assembling. Power off and remove flex cables. Clear off screen waterproof glue. Replace it with new one. Install screen flex cable. Install ear speaker flex cable. Install battery flex cable. First, firm metal bracket with screws on battery. Then on screen. Lastly on ear speaker. Install the display assembly. To bolt the screws on the bottom. Finished. Power on to test. Touch. Screen shows. The camera. All work well. Perfect.